Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. Talking program, talking real experience. Now, I want you to I want you to pay close attention. Get my words mixed up here. To certain words that I say, and you'll hear a car horn beeping, or you might hear a siren beeping. And like I said, there's certain words that they'll use. And I'm still adding more words to the list in terms of whenever they start using new words or a combination of words. All right, so stay tuned for that. And that is going to be something. I'm telling you, that is going to be something. One of the things that they'll engage in, and you'll see them, is again repeated staring up at my head. Right? Looking at right there up in my head. And like I said, it's the same things over and over again. So I start to do the same thing today. Right? Or they'll do the palm fixation, they do it slick. But I understand their tactics, so and understanding people's mannerisms and what they do. Right? And she comes over here. Right? Okay. I got, the fanatics. That's what I call them, the fanatics. Bunch of crazy people, and they're trying to make you crazy, trying to make us crazy too, right? So they label us with a mental illness because we're exposing the truth. Right? And that's to show you, wicked people, evil people, and this is what they engage in. And they call us some good people, right? Mm-hmm. Let's remember, what do they say? It is the people who consider themselves to be more moral, more good than anybody else that are the most wickedest and evil. Because you know why? Because they believe that their righteousness gives them cause over their destructive evil or wicked actions. Right? Because they believe in a God that forgives them is the reason why they do what they do. Right? Anyhow, talk to you guys soon.